Imagine a massive digital warehouse in the cloud, owned and operated by Microsoft. Instead of investing in your own hardware, you simply rent as much space as you need in this secure, ever-expanding facility. Azure Storage is designed to keep your files safe, even if something breaks behind the scenes. In this video, we'll break down what Azure Storage is, how it works, and why it's a game changer for both beginners and professionals. Whether you're storing family photos or running a global business, Azure Storage has a solution for you. Let's start by understanding the basics and then dive deeper into its advanced features. At the heart of Azure Storage is the storage account. Think of this as your main building inside the digital warehouse. It acts as an umbrella, holding all your different types of storage containers. Every file, folder, or message you store in Azure starts with a storage account. This account is your gateway to managing and organizing all your data in the cloud. It's secure, scalable, and easy to set up, making it the foundation for everything else you'll do with Azure Storage. Blob storage is like a bottomless folder for your unstructured data. Whether you have photos, videos, or documents, blob storage can handle it all. The term blob stands for binary large object, and it's perfect for storing massive amounts of data that don't fit neatly into tables or files. It's highly scalable, making it ideal for everything from personal backups to big data analytics. Plus, you can choose different access tiers, like hot, cool, or archive, depending on how often you need to access your data. Azure File Storage works just like a shared office drive. Multiple computers can connect to the same folder, making it easy for teams to collaborate and share files. It's fully managed in the cloud and supports standard protocols like SMB and NFS, so you can lift and shift your existing applications without major changes. Whether you're centralizing configuration files or supporting legacy apps, Azure File Storage is a flexible and reliable choice. Table storage is like a super-fast spreadsheet in the cloud. It's designed for simple, organized data that doesn't need the complexity of a full database. As a NoSQL key-value store, it's perfect for scenarios like IoT telemetry logging or any application that needs to quickly look up specific items. With its composite primary key, partition key, and row key, table storage enables parallel querying and efficient load balancing. Queue storage acts like a digital post office, allowing different apps to send small messages to each other. For example, when you place an order online, one app can send a message to another to print a shipping label. This decouples your application components, making them more scalable and reliable. Azure queues support messages up to 64 KB and are essential for building robust, asynchronous systems. Azure Storage uses a pay-as-you-go model. You only pay for the space you use, making it cost-effective for both small and large projects. Importantly, putting data into Azure Ingress is usually free, but taking data out egress often comes with a fee. This means you can upload as much as you want without worrying about costs, but you should plan for potential charges when downloading or sharing data outside Azure. For professionals, Azure Storage is built to handle massive workloads. It can process hundreds of thousands of requests at the same time, making it suitable for enterprise-scale applications. You can scale up to 1,000 instances in a virtual machine scale set, and Azure's architecture ensures that your data remains available and responsive, even under heavy demand. This scalability is a key reason why businesses trust Azure for their most critical data. Azure Storage offers several redundancy options to keep your data safe. Locally redundant storage (LRS) keeps 3 copies in one data center. Zone redundant storage (ZRS) spreads copies across 3 zones in a region. Geo-redundant storage (GRS) replicates your data to a distant region, and Geozone redundant storage (GZRS) combines both for maximum protection. These options let you choose the right balance between cost and durability, ensuring your data survives hardware failures or even regional disasters. Let's visualize the different redundancy strategies. Each option offers a unique way to safeguard your data, from local copies to cross-region replication. Understanding these can help you pick the right setup for your needs, balancing cost and risk. For businesses, storage costs can make up to 70% of total cloud spending. Azure offers different performance tiers: standard HDD-based for general use and premium SSD-based for low latency needs. Access tiers like hot, cool, and archive let you optimize costs based on how often you need your data. Managed disks are billed for full capacity, while unmanaged disks only charge for used space. Understanding these options helps you control your cloud budget. Blob storage is incredibly versatile. It's used for serving images and documents to web apps, storing backups and virtual hard disks, and supporting big data analytics through Data Lake Storage Gen 2. Its scalability and integration with content delivery networks (CDNs) make it a top choice for web and enterprise applications alike. Azure Files is perfect for migrating legacy apps that depend on shared drives. Table storage is ideal for IoT telemetry and logging where you don't need complex queries. Queues are essential for decoupling microservices like triggering warehouse packaging after an e-commerce order. Each service is tailored for specific needs, making Azure Storage a flexible toolkit for developers and businesses. Azure Storage has some limits to keep in mind. Standard file shares are capped at 100 TB unless you enable large file shares. There's some uncertainty around disk size limits. Some sources mention 2 TB for OS disks and 4 TB for data disks, but these can change as Microsoft updates the platform. Always check the latest documentation for up-to-date limits and best practices. Let's recap the key concepts. Azure Storage is your digital warehouse offering blobs, files, tables, and queues for different data needs. It's scalable, secure, and cost-effective with multiple redundancy options and flexible pricing. Whether you're a beginner or a professional architect, understanding these basics will help you make the most of Azure Storage and keep your data safe and accessible.